Recon, man. Back with another repair. Got the steering wheel. Got a seat burn there. Small seat burn there. No headliner burns. And no burns back here. Steering wheel and 2 burns. Get the steering wheel prepped up. Get my flocking picked out, color matched. Get the puffer and the gel ready, and I'll be back. Had to break out the chip guard for the steering wheel. I put some color on it already, but man, this wasn't looking very good. It was so rough. It's really frayed right through there. So we'll let that dry up. Hit it with another layer of dye. Back with the finished product. We did 6 seat burns and the steering wheel repair. That's one repair right there. Two, 3, and 4 little singes. Actually, there's 2 there, 5 and 6, and 7, the bigger one. Steering wheel turned out pretty good. That area right there was just really chewed up, and this is not a leather steering wheel, that's vinyl, so you're limited on what you can do. That wraps this one up. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.